Hello guys and welcome to TechSpa. Today we're gonna learn how to monetize your YouTube channel. So first you just need to go to your channel and follow my steps. But before we start, what I'm gonna say is, of course, YouTube is the best way to become famous and even earn millions. But what you have to keep in mind is it is not easy. You have to work really hard. You need to upload videos regularly and be up to date. So let's get started. This is monetization. That means your videos, while others watch your videos, audience watch the videos, they're gonna see ads from other companies first before they watch your video. That's because when other companies collaborate with YouTube and pay them to show their ads, YouTube is gonna put ads on your video, and in turn it is gonna pay you. It's gonna pay you half of the thing that company is gonna pay them per video. So this is how YouTube runs. That is why there are lots of millions of channels, millions of YouTubers working on their channel, and even earning millions every month. So if you want to become a successful YouTuber, keep working. Do not give up. Just uploading videos up to date, regularly, and you will be successful, and I guarantee that. So now, to enable your, according to new guidelines, new policy, okay, accept, I have read, I accept acceptable agreements, and you can also go through them. I have gone through them. And over here, this is the sign up for AdSense. AdSense, in a sense, is a Google website. It's a part of Google where you can submit your ads to publish in other websites, channel, likewise. So this is the website which is going to put ads in YouTube, in your videos, in YouTube videos, and is also going to pay you if a lot of audience view your video. So just go ahead and start this, sign up for this. But the only thing is, you have to be above 18 years. Your Google account has to be above 18 years to do this. You can just go ahead and set the date of birth to above 18 years. That's what I did. Then set monetization preferences. Or go ahead and start this, or right up here. Just sign up for this, nothing more. And I have done it. Hola, AdSense requested. I've sent the request, and it's gonna process 1 or 2 days, and they're gonna send me the feedback. If it is accepted or not. Now set monetization preferences. So go ahead and see what type of ads you need. Play and check, or check here, save. Now, according to the new guidelines from YouTube, new rules, before you can monetize your, the Google AdSense can put ads on your video, your channel should be having more than thousands of subscribers, and should have a watch hours of 4,000 hours. It means in a year you must have at least 4,000 hours of watch hours. It's not much for successful YouTubers, but it's a bit hard. So you need to work hard, really hard, and upload videos regularly. That is what I suggest. That's the best thing to do. And focus on your title and tags. That's how you get top on the front page. So this is how you monetize your videos and start earning. You can get paid by AdSense if you link your link your bank account with them. You can get the money. This is how you monetize your account. So before that, you must get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm sure that you guys are gonna do it, because That's how you get your monetization. Okay, now let's go analytics. Over here you can get the overall view of your videos channel. Here you can create contributions and stuff like that. You just go ahead and see if you're interested. So this is how you set up an account, set up your monetization, and upload a video. I guess you all like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos about YouTube, and go ahead and smash the like button, please. Thank you for watching.